Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. As you remember yesterday, this wasn't done. This was all loose. And now it's all done. And we also that's not done. My bad. So there's a few things left. The smoke detector needs a box. And the heater box isn't mounted yet. But other than that, that should be it. So this is all done now. And yep, sorry, I got confused there for a second. So teaching the apprentice how to do switch boxes and stuff like that. He's doing a pretty good job. Maybe twisting the wires a little too tight, too many wraps or whatever. I'll show you that in a minute, but if you stick by to the end, I'm gonna go over a question by one of our viewers, Dad to the Bone. So I'm gonna go over how to do three-ways. He had a question about that, so if you guys want to stick around after the end, I'm going to show you guys how to do three-ways. I try to explain it to you guys a little bit. I'm not probably the best at explaining three-ways, but I think I understand it now after all these years. So anyways, I'm going to show you our second unit. We actually finished the second unit. This one was like halfway done, but I'll go show you that, so give me a second. Just have to walk there. It's around the corner. So the 10 units behind us that way that I'm walking away from are done. And then we just did this room, and the other guy did this room. So I'm working with the apprentice guy, and then the other apprentice did the other room. So so here's that. Just give you a little rundown. Hopefully if my phone doesn't turn off, I'm gonna be really pissed off if my phone turns off if it gets too cold. But anyways, I'm doing better, guys. It's looking a lot straighter. I'm really proud of that. So anyways, apprentice is doing pretty good work. Getting him nice and straight. The only problem is, I'd say it looks really good, except I think that's too tight for me. A lot of people don't like that. The other apprentice didn't like that either, but so it looks really good. He's doing clean work for his like 4th day, which is incredible because it looks better than my work, but too tight for me. And then had him run this, had him do this big box over here. Kind of a nightmare, as you can see, but it's all done right as long as it's tight and stuff. So anyways, he's getting her done, so giving him some experience. A few things that I would change about his work, but for the most part he's doing pretty good. Like, he's doing stuff that looks better than mine. I mean, like, look at that, boom, nice and straight. So he's doing a good job. So alright, three-ways. So let me try to explain this to you. So I drew this picture here. This is your light. This is your your power source. So if you guys don't want to watch this part, I just want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. But if you do want to watch it, stick around.